Jeremy from Wild About Hooves. This is Drake. Drake's presenting with Thrush. Come in close there and have a look. I'll clean his foot out quickly. He's got thrush, so he's reactive when I press him in the back of the frog here, and it's how deep the cleft of his frog is. And he doesn't like me pressing in there. It shouldn't be like that. How do we treat it? Quick and easy. Clean it out. Baby wipe, pull it back and forth through there. This is a gentle way of getting all that black stuff out of the bottom of his foot. See how it saws right in there, but he's not jumping around. It's fairly gentle. Next thing I'm going to do, cotton wool bud. Iodine. Soak the cotton wool bud in the iodine and ram it in there. This is an everyday treatment until the cotton wool bud won't stay in there and he's not reactive. Good simple thing. Thanks.